So knowing your profit margins is extremely important, right? Because then you know exactly how much money to spend in your advertising. And if your product is selling for $100 and it costs you landed $40 and you're spending $20 in advertising, well, you're still making $40 profit, right? So knowing your numbers is an extremely important part of having an Amazon business. And a lot of the times where I realize that people might have challenges or fall down is that initial stage when they get their product, they've overinflated what they believe they can actually sell it for, right? And that usually gets them into trouble. So, and you can sell a product for a lot higher than your competition, but if you do that, you really have to ensure that your differentiation is very valuable, right? It's very good. It's very high compared to everyone else's. When you're wholesaling, you have to make sure that when you actually, there's a certain strategy of wholesaling. If you went through Tracy's course, it's not about finding one product and then just kind of doing that. It's about continually finding products when it comes to wholesaling, continually having that edge. You can even bundle wholesaling products. So if there's a lot of people actually selling the same product, what you can do is bundle that wholesaling product that you got with another product, and that'll differentiate it. So there's different strategies that you can do. But really what I want to do for you guys is really troubleshoot a lot of things because, like I said, I think when you get to a certain stage, you're probably live, but you're not seeing the success. And some of you guys are, some of you guys aren't. But, if we can troubleshoot that, if we can have a look at that for you and say, hey, this is what you need to do, or it's just this simple thing or this simple tweak, it does make a big, big difference.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big, big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.